simple interest. Suppose you have some amount that is principal, what you have in initial, so that is principal. Then a bank or other person is giving interest on them. Interest. That is called simple interest. Then amount is, you will get that original principal plus that simple interest, that is amount. So there are so many questions you have written interest in different form. They are asking for interest or they are asking for rate. There is a rate also on of which percent they are giving interest. Suppose you have 100 rupees principal and they are giving 5% per annum, that is per year. So your amount is SI is equals to P into R into T, principal rate upon into time upon 100. So principal is 100, rate is 5%, time is, I have not written it here. Time, suppose I am taking 3 years. 3 year upon 100. So this 100 and this 100 cancel out. Simple interest is 15 rupees. So your amount will be principal plus SI. Principal was 100 and SI is 15. So now 115 rupees. Clear? It's very simple type of things. Let's take examples. Anita takes a loan of 5,000 and 15% per year at a rate of interest. Principal 5,000, rate 15%. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. Time is 1 year. They are asking for simple interest. So SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So 5,000 into 15 into 1 upon 100. 2 zeros, 2 0. 75 and C. This much interest, this much she has to pay. Now interest for multiple years, you have to just add the more time. Now I'm taking try these. 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees invested at 5% rate of per annum. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. This is very simple. I'm not taking it. 3,500 principal. 3,500. Rate is 7%. And time is 2 years. They are asking for interest and amount both. So SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. 3,500 into 7 into 2 upon 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 35 into 2 is 70. Then 7 and 7 is 49 and 0. So your SI is 490 and amount is 3,500 plus 490. So 0, 9, 5 and 9 is 9 and this is 3, this much rupees. Clear? I don't think कि कोई problem आ रहा होगा. Okay. Now next try these is principal is 6050 rupees. The rate is 6.5%, and the time is 3 years. SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. 6050. श्रेया आपको क्लियर हो रहा है?
Yes.
ओके शारव आप देख रहे हो बेटा? नो. 605 multiplied by 6.5 multiplied by 3 upon 10. So I'm cutting it by 5. 5 2s are 5 1s are 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are. So this is 121 point. Again multiplied by, again I am multiplying 6 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 1 carry, 18 and 1 19 upon 2. Just divide it and multiply it. I'm not doing calculations. Next one is very simple. Now see the different sums. You have 2,400 in your account. Principal is 2,400 rupees. And interest rate is, rate and interest rate is a simple thing, 5%. After how many years would you earn 250 as a SI is given? 240 rupees. So they are asking for time. Again, I am writing the same formula. SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So just cross multiply SI into 100 upon P into R, which is equals to T. Clear? ये दोनों नीचे आ जाएंगे, ये इस साइड चला जाएगा. Simple cross multiplication. SI is 240 into 100. P is 2,405 into T. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 24 ones are and 0. 5 twos are. It means T is equals to 2 years. In 2 years, simple interest will become 240 rupees. Next sum. On a certain sum, the interest paid after 3 years is 440 rupees. Principal is not given. Time is 3 years. SI is given 450 rupees and rate is given 5%. Find the sum. So again, SI into 100 upon R into T. Then you are asking for T. SI is 450 multiplied by 100 upon 5 into 3. Aksh beta was finish ho raha hai. This is 15. 15 3s are 45 and 0. So 3,000 is equals to principal. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now start.